This is a brand new Eco, what is it? 2807, 1700 I just bought. And I, well, you can see it's jammed right now. I haven't installed it or anything, and it catches. I don't know, really only had one or two motors ever do this in the history of building things, but there you go. You can see it doesn't spin free. It kind of catches, and I can really force it. But if I'm just kind of spinning it, you can see it. Now it's locked up completely. Not sure what's happening. I haven't tried applying power to it, but that doesn't seem right. So there's definitely something not right in there. So if it's possible to send a replacement for that, that'd be fantastic. Thank you.